Hi friends, I have one working OpenClaw setup. I am going to uninstall and reinstall that setup. So this is a setup that I have. This is a working setup. So here I am using this Telegram channel. See, it's working. So let me uninstall OpenClaw. So for that, we can run this command OpenClaw uninstall. Run it. Here we need to select what we need to uninstall. So I am going to uninstall gateway service, then state plus config, then workspace. Press enter, then select yes. Okay, done. After that, let me check OpenClaw status. See now channels empty, sessions empty, and here you can see gateway service system did not installed. Okay, so next I will show you how we can reinstall. Now I have deleted everything, gateway service uninstalled, then deleted config and sessions, channels, models configured, everything. Next I am going to reinstall. For that we can run this command OpenClaw onboard, and here select yes, then select quick start. So let me select OpenRouter here, then set OpenRouter API key. Here I am going to enter the API key of OpenRouter, then enter. Let me select one model here. So here I am going to select this model, OpenRouter Google Gemini flashlight preview. Select it, then select Telegram channel. Let me enter token of Telegram channel here. Done. Let me skip this, then select skip for now, enter. Now it's installing gateway service again. See, it says gateway service installed. Done. Now it's asking, do you want to hatch your bot? So let me set hatch in terminal UI. Let me test this prompt. What is the storage of this server? See, it says total size 6 GB, 6.8 GB, used 4.4 GB, available 2.4 GB. Let me test same prompt from the Telegram channel. See, here it says I need to pair. Let me copy this command, then go to terminal, paste here, then copy this token, paste here, enter. Done. Then let me test this prompt, copy this, paste here, submit. See, now it's working. So this way we can uninstall and reinstall OpenClaw. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.